the number line and we need to write the integer, which is in part C we have 6 less than 2 and in part D we have 3 less than minus 2. Let us see how to find the integer. Consider the part C. We have 6 less than 2. Let us consider the number line. Now we need to find the integer which is 6 less than 2. For that we need to start from 2. To find 6 less than 2, we need to move to the left by 6 steps. So if it is less than, we need to move to the left, and if it is more than, we need to move toward right. Let us move 6 steps to the left from 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we reached minus 4. Hence, 6 less than 2 is equal to minus 4. This completes the solution of part C. In part D, we have 3 less than minus 2. Let us now consider the number line. To find 3 less than minus 2, we need to start from minus 2. Since we need to find 3 less than minus 2, we need to move to the left by 3 steps, starting from minus 2. So we have 1, 2 and 3. We have obtained minus 5. Hence, 3 less than minus 2 is minus 5. This completes the solution of the given problem.